ResponsibleForexTrading.com is hosting their first trading competition. I'm releasing a new version of my support and resistance indicator. This is version 1.12, and I think it adds a lot of awesome features that should give traders a pretty big edge in the market. The reason why I'm hosting this competition is I want to see how traders do with this new version. The goal here is to make the most profit with the least drawdown, and this is all going to be done over a 5-day period. So it all comes down to how your results are over this 5-day period. Any trader can take part in this competition. There's 5 easy steps. So one, you go to the website ResponsibleForexTrading.com and request your 5-day demo of the support and resistance EA. Number 2, set up an MT4 or MT5 account, and this has to be a demo account. Add this demo account to myfxbook.com. So this is a tracked website, so we can track your performance and make sure and make it public so I or we can see it. All right, the trader with the highest profit and the lowest drawdown is the winner of this competition. It's only going to be over a 5-day period. We might extend this with another competition in the future. The prize is going to be a lifetime license of the support and resistance EA and indicator, not a 1-year subscription. This is a full lifetime license. So the mission with this competition is to see how traders interact with the support and resistance this indicator gives. Do you add extra indicators? Do you add trend filters? Are you using a stop loss? Are you using single trades or multiple trades? All of this I think is important in developing this indicator even further, and also finding traders that are really talented in using this indicator. And again, guys, we're looking for low drawdown and high profit. Traders that are more conservative are likely going to be the winners here because lower profit means lower drawdown. So keep that in mind when taking part in this competition. I want to give you guys just a quick overview of what's changed and what to expect from this indicator to kind of help you on your process of taking part in this competition. We've added a couple of cool features in this new version 1.12. So you can see here that now you can select draw modes, zones fixed and zones high-low. This can be really helpful for traders in selecting their trades. Default is going to be zones fixed with a 5 pip width of that zone. You can also select how you want your zones to be colored as well, and this helps a lot with visual on chart. For example, levels 1 through 2 are colored gold, levels 3 and 4 are dark orange, and levels 5 and above are red. And you can see what that looks like here on the pound CAD, where levels 7 here, level 5, these are all painted red, and these are zones that have been hit a lot more with the counter over here on the right side. So the counter is showing you how many times that level has been reacted to in the past. The support resistance indicator also comes with an EA over here on the left side. Makes it really easy to target specific zones of support and resistance. So let's say I want to target this level 4 up here. So I'm just going to select a horizontal line, right click properties, type out sell, and I'm all set to go. So that is now a pending order, and when price pushes up into that level, it will trigger my pending order. Going into the EA settings, scrolling down, you can see here I have my profit set at 0.15%. So let's say that I set a second pending order and type out sell on this one as well, and price pushes all the way up to the second order and triggers both. So that will average in my profit on those two trades together at 0.15%. So I wanted to give you guys a rundown of the benefits of using the support and resistance EA and indicator. So I'm going to take you to the pound CAD on the daily chart, and you can see that price reacted to this level multiple times. Here in July, again in August, and then again in November, here in January, February, and March, and had a reaction, and then again in April. So this seems to be a bit of a ceiling. Now you might be able to spot this just by looking at price itself. The indicator is also showing you a level 6 and 5 up at the top there, and a level 6, and price reacted multiple times from that level. So taking you down to the H4, you can see that that last time that it reacted to that level was right here in early March. Price came down, went into this level 6 right here, or it's level 5, bounced off that level 5 and tapped this level 6 multiple times, came down, went back into it, level 6 again, went back down, level 6, and then a huge reaction and a move on the downside. So finding where price is likely to have its pullbacks or its trend continuations is what you should be looking for, and it's pretty easy to spot with the support and resistance indicator. I'm going to give you guys a freebie here. I don't know how this trade's going to play out. I don't typically trade the pound Swiss franc. This is a really volatile pair, so it can be really tricky and really dangerous, but it is showing a current signal where you see this level 3 at the top here. Price reacting to this level 3 multiple times. It did jump a little bit above to level 2 right here and here, but then still had massive reaction to that level 3 and level 2, tapping level 3 and then jumping back up to the previous level 3 that showed a lot of support and resistance. And this is where we could have a pretty substantial move on the downside. Now the tricky part here will be, what risk do you select? Do you select this trade? Do you find a position on another pair? there? Or do you decide you want to take this position and use low risk, looking for, 100 to 200 pips? This is the kind of strategy that I'm looking for. It's going to come down to your risk level. It's going to come down to how many trades you add into it, your stop loss. Good luck, guys.